Check out this 2006 Ford Taurus. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. Run all over town and back home again without worrying about filling up when driving this fuel-efficient ride. With a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag. Call today to schedule a test drive.